It's been a long time I've waited for this day to come, to jump inside the town. Carnival come, but still I'm waiting for the band to cross the bridge inside the town. Hey! In a distance I hear the rhythm sounding. In a distance I see the people jumping. In an instance I get so much energy. Let we go, yo, I can't wait to get on board. Boom.
Jeffrey Paul Anderson, also known as Slick, is one of the band members of the Nature Boyz.
Representing for Nature Boyz.
He took a moment out to give us a sample of his music style and talk about his group and how they got started.
We're from the same village, and we started out with the Nature Boyz band. But the thing is, although it's a kind of a unique culture, not everybody likes to sing their own stuff, because you have people that love R&B and rap. So there was a group of us from the same village who just decided to write our little songs, you know.
He says the band started off quite humbly, freestyling and thumping out beats, including creating their own makeshift microphones.
We didn't have any equipment, just beating and kind of freestyling, and as it progressed we used to use a little phone receiver, and we made a mic with that.
Really?
And that is what we did, you know?
Wow. So how long you been singing?
Maybe when I was in my mom's stomach. Yeah, at least professionally, maybe 10 years or so, writing my stuff, and, you know?
So your style is Bouyon.
Bouyon.
Yeah.
The Nature Boyz music style is Bouyon, which is a form of music indigenous to Dominica that combines the island's traditional music along with modern music genres.
Calypso, soca, that sort of thing.
This type of music became popular in the late 1980s, largely due to the group Windward Caribbean Kulture.
But that isn't the only thing we do. We do hip-hop, dancehall, reggae, R&B. And we sort of mix it up with a little Caribbean spice.
Do a lot of the younger generation like that as well, or like how important is it?
The carnival involves calypso, you have queen shows, and you have, like, usually the local bands would release songs, because on carnival days it's the bouyon you get on the streets, you know. The calypso it leads up to the final day. The day before the carnival, that would be calypso.
Right.
And then you have the king for the year. But the Bouyon music is what you will get on the streets.
So how did you come up with your name, Nature Boy? How did y'all come up with that?
We're from the Nature Island. A group of boys, it's only boys in the group.
Right.
So
how many people?
Boys. It's 9 people.
Wow.
Yeah, 9 boys.
So
and
what?
Most of us are family. And cousins and brothers in the same village.
So you sing and play instrument as well?
I'm learning to play the keyboard. I'm teaching myself.
That's my favorite. I love piano. I love keyboard. Yeah.
But my whole family plays guitar.
Really?
I'm the only one that doesn't play guitar.
Wow.
I prefer the keyboard.
So everybody contributes in big band.
Yeah.
You get to hit the streets and stuff.
Yeah.
Real popular?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Around Portsmouth, it's Nature Boyz and MFR, the other band. That's the two big bands on the map.
Oh, then people need to come and check you out.
The Nature Boyz will be performing this year at the 2010 World Creole Music Festival, along with Ja Cure, Michelle Henderson, and Luciano.